Corpus and Eugenio. DRS. Pasqua. Laurencio. Lara. And Perfugio.
Mananalo po rito kalaban namin bukas. Dito sa second game. Mananalo dyan. Lara, walang bilisan na.
Jabol between Pasqua and Corpus. Eugenio may ang bola pinasa kay Dado ito magaling Corpus. Rebound ni Corpus na ang paso magaling, tumira naman Trevi magaling, wala pa rin, nakakuha ni Perfugio. Pasti Lara push power up. Jersey number 28, black foul, safe ball. Lara to Perfugio. Traveling violation, unit ball. Dado nagkawak ng bola. Dado pass to Eugenio setting up play. Eugenio pass to Dado for three. No good. Rebound by Merugio no Lara buang ke atake si Lara pass to Pasqua fake. Pasqua may hawak ng bola. Pasqua tumiran, no good. Na-rebound ni Pagaling to Eugenio pass to Dado no good. Rebound by Pasqua may hawak ng bola. Pasqua to Lara setting up play, pass to Pasqua pull up jumper, no good. Rebound ni Pagaling pass to Dado to Pagaling pull up jumper, no good. Laurencio to Perfugio, still by Corpus, pass to Pagaling guard by Pasqua, pass to Pagaling for two, no good. Lara nagkawak ng bola. Pass to Pasqua for two, no good. Rebound by Corpus, pass to Pagaling nagkawak ng bola. Pass to Pagaling for three na naman. Rebound by Pagaling. Lara pass to Pasqua nagkalapang sa amin na rin kay Lara. Pass to Perfugio fake. No good. Na-rebound ni Laurencio pull up jumper, Laurencio, no good. Rebound ni Eugenio. Pagaling to Corpus. Easy 2 points by Pagaling. Score natin 5-0 favor of Unity. Lara setting up play. Still by Eugenio may hawak ng bola. Eugenio out of bounds, save ball. Dado for the inbound. Pass to Eugenio pass to Pagaling pull up jumper. Easy 2 points by Pagaling. Lara pass to Pasqua spin move, pass to Pasqua no good. Na-rebound ni Perfugio nagkalampapasahan ni Perfugio. Pass to Pasqua pull up jumper, no good pa rin. Nakuha ni out of bounds, Unity ball. Stop rep. Pasqua out. Austria in. Ayan na si Austria. Nagsasake na si Austria. Dado, pass magaling, black by Lorenzo. Last 6 minutes. Pabalik to Eugenio. Mga atake si Eugenio. Easy 2 points by Eugenio. Score natin 9-0. Favor of Unity. Laurencio. Pull up jumper. No good. Nakuha ni Eugenio. Kaya naman papasahan ni Eugenio. Pasok Magaling. May awak ng bola. Magaling to Dado. No good. Rebound by Corpus. Nakuha ni Austria. Ayan na ni Austria. Pascua. Easy 2 points by Pascua. Magaling naghanap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay Eugenio. Magaling, pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by Laurencio to Lara. Lara nagahawak ng bola. Lara pass to Laurencio. Two small rep. Jersey number 11. Pushing foul, 2 shot. Side out. DRF. Back to the ball game. Sablay ang person ni Lorenzo. Second throw para kay Laurencio. Pasok ang second throw ni Laurencio. Score natin 9-2 favor of Unity. Eugenio para inbound pass kung magaling. Nabor to Dado. Dado for 2 points by Dado. Rebound by Laurencio. No good. Na-rebound ni Eugenio may awak ng bola. Eugenio dribble the ball. Naghanap papasahan. Pinasa kay Nabor to Dado. Dado for 2 again. 2 points by Dado. Nag-init si Dado. Berfujo. Derecho. No good. Rebound by Corpus may awak ng bola. Corpus pass to magaling. Pass to Nabor nagdadala ng bola. Nabor. Still by Berfujo to Austria. Ayun na si Austria. Rumarang kasalang doon. Pass to Constantino. No good. Easy 2 points by Lara. Iyon, natira yung transformer ni Austria. Nawalan ng baterya. Nalaban si Austria. Magaling. Pass to Corpus na ang bola. Corpus. Pass to magaling. Easy 2 points by Magaling. Oras natin. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds to play. Lara to Constantino. To Laurencio. No good. Easy 2 points by Pagliari. Nabor may awak ng bola. Nabor mukhang atake si Nabor. No good. Nariboli. Nakuha ni Eugenio to Nabor may awak ng bola. Nabor pa rin. Pass to Dado to Magaling carrying play. Magaling pa rin may awak ng bola. Pull up jumper. Easy 2 points by Magaling. Score natin 19-7. Favor of Unity. Lara to Constantino to Laurencio to Lara sharing of play. Lara may awak ng bola. Lara pass to Eugenio. Unity ball. Nabor, pass to Dado. Dado yang ng bola. Dado to pagaling. Pass to Corpus, easy to points by Corpus. Score natin, 21-7. Favor of Unity.
Baka.
Lara, pass to Berujo, pass to Bagliari, pass to Dado, pass to Nabor na ang bola, Nabor libre, 82 points by Nabor. Berhujo, Lara pa rin ang bola. Lara, no good. Nakuha ni Lorenzo. Pull-up jumper, no good rin. Easy 2 points by Bagliari. Magaling to Nabor to Eugenio, pull-up jumper, no good. Nakuha ni Corpus to magaling. Na-steal ni Berhujo. Berhujo mayroon ng bola. Berhujo guard by Eugenio. Berhujo, dinudouble din si Berhujo. Pinasa kay Lorenzo. Pass to Lara mo. 2 points, no good. Nakuha ni Lorenzo. Foul. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 2. Illegal use man. 2 shot. Pasok ang first round ni Lorenzo. Pasok pa rin ang makalawa. Last 50 seconds to play. Nabor nagawang ng bola. Nabor to Eugenio mga katao si Eugenio. Pinasa malaki pagaling sa gilid. No good. Na-rebound ni Lorenzo to Constantino mayroon ng bola. Pinasa kay Lorenzo. Back to Constantino. Pull-up laban. No good.
May laro kasi ito na ayaw niya ako doon. Kasi ang laban doon yung
Back number
school.
Jersey number 30.
Baka sa gabi yun.
Dado to Nabor may ako ng bola. Nabor to Dado to Corpus. No good. Naribon ni Lorenzo. Back to Constantino. Last 15 seconds to play. Lorenzo to Berujo libre. No good rin. Naribon ni Bagliari. Easy 2 points by Bagliari. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Last 3 seconds to shoot. Still by Constantino. Back to the ball game. Barnechea for the inbound pass to Constantino. Sabari back to Constantino. Labitawan ang ball ni Constantino. Nakuha ni Nabor may awak ng bola. Nabor. Pass to Arcan DRS ball. Barnechea may awak ng bola. Barnechea to Pascua. Denied by Corpus. Pass to Pascua again. Buang atang si Pascua. Easy 2 points by Pascua. Nabor may awak ng bola. Nabor for 3. No good. Naribon ni Eugenio. Easy 2 points by Eugenio. Barnechea. 2 minutes si Barnechea. No good. Naribon ni Pascua. Easy 2 points by Pascua. Nabor may awak ng bola. Pass to Corpus, denied by Pascua. Still by Pascua may awak ng bola. Pass to Constantino. Binawan ni Constantino ang bola. Nilalamig pa ata si Constantino. Eugenio to Corpus back to the board. Nabor take. Nabor buang atang sa board. Pinay Constantino. Same ball ang tawag ng ating referee. Guantero for two, no good. Rebound by Corpus. 52 points by Corpus. Constantino may ako ng bola. Constantino setting a play. Constantino is still by Corpus. Corpus may ako ng bola. Pass to Nabor may ako ng bola. Pass to De La Cruz. Denied by pass to rebound by Constantino. Constantino naman may ako ng bola. Constantino pass to Barnechea to Pascua to Pascua rin. Puro Pascua na lang papasahan. Nasi Pascua na isa. Pascua is still by Eugenio to Nabor. To Guantero. 2 points by Guantero. Barnechea, buang atang eh. Nakuha pa rin Barnechea, bola masuk Pascua pa rin ang bola. Pascua, nugod, na-rebound ni Corpus to Nabor may ako ng bola. Nabor for 2 points by Nabor. Lumalaki ang lawang ng Unity. Constantino may ako ng bola. Tumalyari. To Nabor may ako ng bola. Ayan na si Nabor. Lumarag sa laman. Pass to Nabor. Rabi ng violation down na ating referee. Barnechea to Pascua fake. Tumira na kuha ni Pascua. Foul. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 15. Illegal stand. Safe ball. Pascua for the inbound pass to Constantino. To Barnechea for 2. No good. Na-rebound ni Corpus. Pass to Eugenio may ako ng bola. Eugenio to Guantero. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound ni Corpus. 52 points. Corpus. Constantino still by Guantero rumaragasan ni Guantero. 52 points by Guantero. Time out. PRS. Back to the ball game. And nakapag-recharge na naman si Austria. May battery na naman siya. Lara nagawag ng bola. Lara masuk Barnechea back to Lara to Lorenzo to Austria. Easy 2 points by Austria. De La Cruz to Nabor may ako ng bola. Nabor back to Guantero back to Nabor to Corpus, no good. Pero nakuha ni Austria bola. Austria ball di dire-diretso si Austria pass to Barnechea, no good. Rebound ni Nabor ang bola. Nabor may ako ng bola. Nabor dribble the ball. Pass to De La Cruz nice still de Lorenzo, pass to Austria. Easy 2 points by Austria. Out of bounds, BRS ball. Lara nagawag ng bola. Lara to Austria nagalang pampasahan. Austria pass to Barnechea for 2 points by Barnechea. Score na rin 20 points favor of Unity pa din. Eugenio Eugenio kay Barrechea. Pass to Corpus. Back to Eugenio. Pull up jumper. No good. Na-rebound ni Lorenzo ang bola. Lorenzo mayroon ng bola. Pass to Lara. Lara to Pasqua. Pasqua to Lara. Lara to Lorenzo. No good. Na-rebound ni Guantero. Pass to Nabor. Nabor mayroon ng bola. Nabor. Pass to Guantero. No good. Na-rebound ni Barrechea. Barrechea mayroon ng bola. Barrechea to Lorenzo. Easy 2 points by Lorenzo. Eugenio, pass to Nabor, pass to Corpus, easy 2 points by Corpus. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Lara for Logan. No good, na-rebound ni Austria. Easy 2 points by Austria.
Ibabawin lang eh.
Sampu na lang inahabol na kalamangan ng DRM. Nako ni Lorenzo, pass to Lara to Lorenzo. Foul to Spalret. Jersey number 14, illegal in the man, 2 shots. Sabret. Guantero and Dela Cruz out, Pagaling and Dado in. Sablay ang first round ni Lorenzo. Sablay pa rin ang pangalawang na rebound ni Corpus. Pass to Nabor. Nabor may hawak ng bola. Nabor to Pagaling. Buong atake si Pagaling. Easy 2 points by Pagaling. Lara, pass to Barrechea for 3 again. No good. Na-rebound ni Eugenio to Dado. Pull up jumper kay Dado. No good. Na-rebound ni Mr. Austria. Ayun na naman si Austria. Buong atake naman si Austria. Austria pass to Barrechea to Lara. No good. Na-rebound ni Lorenzo. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni Eugenio to Nabor. Out of bounds. Unity ball. Oras natin last 2 minutes and 4 seconds to play. Eugenio. Wala pero na-rebound pa rin ni Eugenio. Wala pa rin. Na-rebound ni Lorenzo pass to Lara may hawak ng bola. Lara to Austria. No good. Na-rebound ni Corpus. Nakuha ni Eugenio. Still by Lorenzo, pass to Lara may hawak ng bola. Lara to Pasqua. Denied by Corpus. Na-rebound ni Nabor. Pass to Eugenio to Dado. No good. Dado na cover ni Dado. Easy 2 points by Dado. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds to play. Lara for 3. 2 points by Lara. Eugenio to Corpus. Easy 2 points by Corpus. Last 1 minute. Lara to Lorenzo. Out of bounds, unity ball. Last 51. Dado. Pass to Nabor may hawak ng bola. Misconnection. Last 45 seconds to play. Lara may hawak ng bola. Lara to Austria. Easy 2 points by Austria. Tara mo yung bibig mo Austria. Baka may pumasok na langaw. Pagaling may hawak ng bola. Pass to Corpus. No good. Rebound by Mr. Austria. Last 20 seconds to play. Lara. Nabitaw ni Lara ang bola. Out of bounds. Unity ball. Score natin 41-3 in favor of Unity. Nabor. Last 40 seconds to shoot. Last 10 seconds. UAE to pagaling. Pagaling for 2 pagaling. Last 4 seconds to shoot. Austria. Back to the ball game. Nabor. Pass to Dado, back to Nabor. Pass to Dado. Dado to Uejo pull up jumper. No good, rebound by Merhujo. Merhujo to Lara mayroon ng bola. Lara. Turi with a shot, no good. Nariboni, Austria. Ayan si Austria. Pull up jumper. Sa lane ng beat, paltot. Nakakuha ni Corpus. Nakakuha ni Nabor ang bola. Still by Pasqua. Pasa to Lara. Easy 2 points by Lara. Nabor may hawak ng bola. Nabor to Uejo. Buong atake si Uejo. No good, rebound by Pasqua may hawak ng bola. Pass to Lara to Austria. Kaso napataas ng pasa. Nakakuha ni Nabor may hawak ng bola. Nabor. No good, rebound by Corpus. Easy 2 points by Corpus. Lara may hawak ng bola. Lara to Lorenzo to Austria. To Spalret. Jersey number 22. Illegal distance. 2 shots. First throw ni Austria. Sablay ang first throw ni Austria. Baka kabawi kaya sa second throw si Austria. Yun. Easy. 1 point by Austria. Nabor. Nakuha ni Austria. Pass to Lara. Jersey number 22, black foul, 2 shots. Jersey number 22, second personal foul, second team foul. Sablay ang first throw ni Lara. Sablay pa rin ang pangalawang na rebound ni Merhujo. Tumuot, kaso wala. Nakakuha ni Corpus. Pass to Nabor. To Corpus. No good. Na-rebound ni Austria. Austria may hawak ng bola. Austria back to Pasqua to Lorenzo may hawak ng bola. Lorenzo pass to Pasqua. No good. Na-rebound ni Corpus. Pass to Dado is hit by Dado to Uejo. To Dado pull up jumper. No good. Na-rebound ni Austria. Austria may hawak ng bola. Austria ang central na shooter. Kaso no good. Nakakuha ni Nabor may hawak ng bola. Nabor back to Dado. Who's fouled?
Foul.
Jersey number 13, illegal distance, 2 shots. Pasok ang first throw ni Dado. Kapos ang pangalawa, BRS ball. Lara Lara to Berujo, buang atas Berujo, pas to Pasqua, no good to the Corpus, still by Berujo, pas to Lorenzo, pas to Pasqua, finali di Pasqua, wala Nariboni, Corpus may hawak ng bola, Corpus, no good, pero rebound pa rin ni Corpus, wala pa rin, pero rebound pa rin ni Corpus pa rin, wala pa rin, Nagori the ball, Nagori, backward violation na tawag ng ating referee.
Grabe yun ah.
Austria. Push power. Jersey number 11, Langbaud Tushan. Sablay ang first row ni Austria. Sablay pa rin ang pangalawa Naribon ni Pasqua to Lorenzo to Austria. Naribon ni Corpus, pass to Magaling, no good. Rebound by Lara to Austria, buang atas si Austria, no good pa rin, nakuha ni Unity Buyaret. Low. Back to the ball game. Austria. Pass to Berujo. Easy to points by Berujo. Nabor may hawak ng bola. Nabor to Dado ball 3. Rebound by Dado. Lara to Berujo na naman, pass to Barnechea to Berujo to Lara to Lorenzo pull up number 2 points by Lorenzo. Magaling to Nabor to Dado, traveling violation by Dado. Lara may hawak ng bola. Lara, pass to Barnechea pa rin may hawak ng bola. Buang atake si Barnechea, pasa lang pala kay Austria. Kaso dinahin by Magaling na rebound ni Eugenio to Nabor may hawak ng bola. Nabor guard by Lara. Nabor pa rin, pass to Dado fake. Dado, no good. Naribon ni Lorenzo to Austria. Easy 2 points by Mr. Austria. Nabor may hawak ng bola. Nabor to Eugenio pull up jumper, no good. Naribon ni Berujo may hawak ng bola. Berujo, no good. Naribon ni Nabor to Dado, 3v2 situation. Corpus, easy 2 points by Corpus. Lara, pass to Austria, easy 2 points by Austria. Dado may hawak ng bola. Dado, still by Lara. Pass to Lorenzo to Barnechea may hawak ng bola. Barnechea to Austria during the shot. Easy 2 points by Centro na shooter. Still by Austria, ball to diretso si Austria, ayan na, nagpababa na si Austria, kaso sablay, nakuha ni Out of bounds, save ball. Score natin 55-46. Austria, still by Magaling. Magaling may ako ng bola. Magaling kay Dado. Easy 2 points by Dado.
Karami na yun.
Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds to play. Lara.
Dami na score.
Pass to Barachea. Austria may ako ng bola. Pass to Lara to Barachea. Wide open 3. 2 points by Barachea. Still by Austria, bulot lang kayo sa tubos. Adik na lang ang kalamangan ng multi. Corpus, easy 2 points by Corpus. Lara, long play by Lara. No good, rebound by Corpus. Corpus may ako ng bola. Pass to Nabor to Corpus. Out of bounds, save ball. Sabrem. Berfujo out, Constantino in. Nabor, pass to Magaling. Open, no good. Nakuha ni Eugenio to Nabor. Perimeter shot, no good. Nakuha ni. Save ball ang tawag ng ating referee. Dado to Magaling may ako ng bola. Magaling, garbay ko ng pinabas to Eugenio, pull-up number 2 points by Eugenio. Kapulay ang kinahabol ng BRF. Austria, pass to Constantino, pass to Lara to Barachea for 3. Bola ni Cruz. Pasok po Cabron. Lorenzo. Nakuha ni Constantino. Pass to Barachea. No good. Out of bounds, unity ball. Last 1 minute and 29 seconds to play. Nabor may ako ng bola. Nabor to Dado to Corpus, to Eugenio, pull-up number, no good, rebound by Laurencio to Lara may ako ng bola, Lara to Barachea to Laurencio still by Eugenio to Nabor, easy 2 points by Nabor. Last 50 seconds to play. Barachea, pass to still by Magaling to Nabor, denied by Laurencio, save ball ang tawag ng ating referee. Last ball, 3 seconds to play, 20 seconds to shoot. Eugenio, easy 2 points by Eugenio. Last 35 seconds to play. Jersey number 15, holding foul, save ball. Lara may ako ng bola. Lara to Barachea to Lara to Barachea for 3, no good. Nariboni Constantino. Last 20 seconds to shoot. Austria, dinunod pa ni Austria. Last 10 seconds to play. Nabor may ako ng bola. Nabor to Dado for 3, 2 points by Dado. The last and the final score 68-23 in favor of Unity. Back to the ball game. Nomor merah ng bola. At yan na si Eslabra. Nomor, pas pagaling po, twin, tugod naman na Yueño. Pasa lang pala yun. Easy 2 points by pagaling. Yueño. Constantino. Easy 2 points by Constantino. Labor. Pasu Dado yang bola. Dado. To Labor for 3, no good. Nagwani Yueño. 24 second shot clock violation. Lara yang bola. Lara. Pasu Austria. Tinutan naman ni Austria. Mandurukot talaga ng tao na to. Nagwani Dado. Pasu Magaling to Lara yang bola. Lara. Labor, still by Pasqua behind the back pass, out of bounds. Nagtanggal na ng Princess Labra, break ba yun? Ay, napupunod pala. Magaling po, twin, no good, diba kayo? Nakuha ni Corpus to Dado for twin, no good. 2 points by Dado. Lara. Pasok Constantino to Austria bumawi ng 3. Wala, narimo ni Pasqua. Easy 2 points by Pasqua. Nabor na yung ng bola. Nabor dari ulay. Nabor to Yueño to Corpus. Gandang pasa naman doon. Easy 2 points by Corpus. Nice pass by Lara. Nabor yang ng bola. Last 7 minutes to play for the last quarter. Nabor, guard by Pasqua. Nabor, pass to Dado for 3 na naman. Nakuha ni Pasqua yang ng bola. Lara. Big ball violation, Unity ball. Nabor to Dado ngayon ng bola. Dado to Magaling to Corpus to Yueño. Last 4 seconds to shoot. Yueño, no good. Nariboni Austria, pass to Constantino back, pass to still by Labor to Corpus, no good, rebound by Eslabra to Lara mayroon ang bola, easy 2 points by Lara. Last 6 minutes for the final quarter. Nabor may hawak ng bola. Nabor may hawak ng bola. Nabor, pass to Eugenio. To Corpus. Foul, who's foul run? Jersey number 21, Tushat. Nakuha ni Austria may hawak ng bola. Austria to Constantino to Austria to Pasqua, easy 2 points by Pasqua. Nabor may hawak ng bola. Nabor to Dado, no good. Larry Bondi, foul, loose foul run. Jersey number 22, pushing foul, BRS ball. Time out, BRS. Back to the play game. Sabret, Kabrotin. Barnachea, Tunarujo. Wait lang, dadaan si Jaguar. Lara to Barnachea to Merhujo. Still by Corpus to Dado. 1-3 situation. Dado to Nabor. Easy 2 points by Nabor. Last 4 minutes and 45 seconds to play. Barnachea to Austria. Rapid violation by Austria. Nabor, pass to Dado, Eugenio to Pagaling, wide open to easy 2 points by Pagaling. Lara may hawak ng bola, Lara to Barnachea for 2 points by Barnachea. Nabor guard by Lara. Arbang symbol. Dado to Eugenio to Corpus. No good. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Corpus. Easy 2 points by Corpus. Barnachea, Lara to Barnachea for 3 again. No good. Na-rebound ni Nabor to Dado, easy 2 points by Dado. Lara to Barnachea, to Merhujo for 3, no good. Nakuha ni Eugenio to Nabor to Dado. Nakuha ni Lara may hawak ng bola. Lara, rebound by Austria. Jersey number 22, wild ball graduate, Tushat. Sabret. Supply pa rin ang pangalawang na rebound nakuha ni Pagaling. Pagaling may ako ng bola. Pagaling. To Corpus. Corpus is 2 points by Corpus. Lumalaki na ang lawang ng Unity. Easy 2 points by Eslabra. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds to play. Nabor may ako ng bola. Nabor. Nako ni Austria to Lara for 3. No good. Last 1 minute 57 seconds to play. Nabor. Dado. Easy 2 points by Corpus. Eslabra. No good. Score natin 87-70. No good. Naribon ni Eslabra paso Lara. To Eslabra, no good. Pero kay Lara pa rin ang bola. Lara. Last 1 minute.
Wala ng oras.
Pagaling may ako ng bola. Pagaling for 3. No good. Naribon ni Nabor. Last 41 seconds play. Semifinal Tumbo. Ambianan versus DRM. Unity versus Garden.